Hey everybody, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are in Savu on Vanuatu, Fiji's second largest island out of 333 islands, just north of the main island of Viti Levu. Brent and I are walking along the ocean front here, and we have a incredible listing here. This is a total of 75 acres of freehold land. Not something you come across very often, especially since this is very close to Savu town. And I'm going to swing this around and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. This is something for a hotel developer, someone who wants to build an oceanfront homestead, possibly do a big large-scale development with subdivision. We have a creek running through behind us, just on the tip out there. On the other side is the Jean-Michel Cousteau Resort. This is world-class resort. Average room night per night there runs about $2,500 US or more. So this is very, very upscale and a tremendous opportunity for, again, someone to come and live out those dreams. And if you want to learn more about this, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051 and just come up here, make some time, and you're going to just see just amazing, beautiful piece of property. And come with me here and look at this. If you look, this is a little coconut, and you can see this is a future palm tree. This is right out of the coconut. You see there? How about that? And there are literally thousands of these. And there's your coconut right on the beach waiting for you. All we need is a couple straws and maybe a little Fiji rum to go with that. So again, 75 acres, freehold land, minutes from Savu town and Savu Airport. Also Lambasa Airport, which is a larger airport that is about an hour and change here from Savu. So really good opportunity to get out of where you are and have some future plans in case another COVID type situation comes up. You want a holiday home or a place where you and your family can come, enjoy, relax. And that's what living's all about, right? Really treating yourself, and this is a place to do it. We look forward to hearing from you soon. For pricing details and all that information, go to professionalsfiji.com. And in the meantime, I'm going to walk out here on this low tide and just take in this 180-degree gorgeous view and see if I can count all the little crabs going into their holes around me. We wish you were here. We look forward to seeing you right here in this beautiful country. And look at this, we even have the start of a new mangrove, and just like you, start of a new life, new beginnings, and you can do it right here with us. We look forward to hearing from you soon. One last glimpse of this beautiful 75-acre freehold property that we have for sale, just waiting for your creativity, your designs, and your footprints. Manaka.